Okay, Nissan Almera 2010 to 2015 version. Install for Cogoo S Series 9-inch Android GPS big screen player with OEM big screen, OEM casing and OEM socket plug and play. So this is OEM casing, which is good fitting. OEM socket plug and play, power socket and radio socket plug and play. Okay, connect with Cogoo Night View Plus reverse camera. Big screen Android GPS player, 9-inch. Cogoo Night View Plus reverse camera. Okay, home display UI. Full menu. Play Store. Log in a Gmail to download app. Download Waze, YouTube, Spotify. Online GPS, Waze, Google Maps. Or you can install Papago APK for offline GPS. Okay, it's got a GPS antenna and a Wi-Fi antenna as well. Go to setting, turn on Wi-Fi. Connect with your phone hotspot for internet. 16 gig storage, available 12.48. Okay, this version is 1 gig RAM, Cogoo S Series 1 gig RAM. We also got 2 gig RAM version. Okay, equalizer, high, mid, low, sub. Okay, system info, Android version 8.1 Go, 16 gig storage, 1 gig RAM. Display, the screen is 1024 x 600. It support for the up to Full HD 1080p video. Factory setting, password 8888. Okay, so do the factory setting and set a canbus setting on protocol setting. GPS detect. Okay, volume setting, preset volume. A brightness. This is daytime and nighttime. Navigation, this is set for the shortcut of this one, the icon navi for the shortcut. Steering control, steering wheel control. Okay, change logo. Other setting. Okay, Android player, you have to clear apps. Clear it one by one or close all. Radio. So this is fixed UI, fixed apps, a file manager. So you got a 2 USB slot, 2 USB extension slot. Normally will put in a drawer. You can select the optional choose to put below of styling. Okay, video input, AV in, RCA input, and video output as well. So it's got a Bluetooth connection for Bluetooth calling. Click for the music icon for Bluetooth music. Okay, when night time, turn on headlight. So the light will turn on, and the car got a headlight. So this is nighttime version. Daytime version. So it will dim for the display. Okay, this is Cogoo S Series CG-AD009S 1GB RAM, Android GPS big screen player with OEM casing and OEM socket plug and play for Nissan Almera 2010 to 2015. Okay, installed by 1BIS. Thank you.